In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add ACF fields to WooCommerce products step by step. If you want to display extra product information like material, warranty, specifications, or any custom detail inside your product pages, this is the easiest and most flexible way to do it. We'll be using Advanced Custom Fields, also known as ACF, together with WooCommerce and Elementor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create custom fields and dynamically display them on your product pages. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins. Then click Add New and search for Advanced Custom Field. Install the plugin and activate it. Once activated, you'll see a new menu item called ACF in your dashboard. Now click on ACF and select Add New to create a new field group. Give your field group a name, for example, Product Specs. After that, click on Add Field. In the field label, you can type something like Material or Warranty. The field name will generate automatically. For field type, choose Text, although you can select any type depending on your needs, such as text area, number, image, or select. Now here's the most important part. Scroll down to the Location Rule section. You need to set the rule to Post Type is equal to Product. This ensures that your custom field appears only on WooCommerce product pages. Once that's set, click Save Changes at the top right. Next, go to one of your WooCommerce products and edit it. You'll now see your new custom field at the bottom of the product editor. Enter a value, for example, cotton if you created a material field, and update the product. Now let's display this field on the front end using Elementor. Go to Pages and open your product template with Elementor. If you're using a single product template, edit it with Elementor. Drag a heading or text editor widget to the area where you want the custom field to appear. In the widget's content area, click on the dynamic tags icon, which looks like stacked disks. From the list, choose ACF field. Then click on the ACF field label again to open its settings. Under the key dropdown, select the field you created, such as Material. Once selected, click Update to save your template. Now when you preview your WooCommerce product page, you'll see the custom field value displayed dynamically. And that's it. You've successfully added ACF fields to WooCommerce products and displayed them using Elementor. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress guides, and I'll see you in the next video.